Welcome back to TechKidFX for another ARB price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the ARB chart, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above a key area of support at around the $1.1843 mark, which is now acting as support, and the next key area of resistance that I'm keeping an eye on is the area at around the $1.2814 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can now see that we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, and that was after fully peaking in that first wave to the upper side in a move that gave us a peak at around the $1.4445 mark. And having seen the high for that first wave, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, I was able to come up with a minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is a target area that we have now fully maximized. And at some point we had lost the fib level 0.78 and went back to the fib level 0.88, which gave us support, and there are high chances that whatever we are seeing over here, despite losing the fib level 0.78, is still a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and there are high chances of getting that massive run up to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And if that is the case, we can sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.6769 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Arbitrum to do in the formation of that wave 3 before we expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And as long as we are holding above our key area of support at around the $1.18 mark, there are high chances that we are going to continue gearing up to our next key area of resistance at around the $1.29 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that, then we can watch for a successful retest, and once the retest is in and a success, then continue gearing up to our next key area of resistance at around the $1.35 mark. And if we manage to break through those key areas of resistances and also get successful retest, then there are high chances of fully maximizing our target area at around the $1.67 mark, and also make one more high, that is an all-time high here on the BINANCE chart. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 49 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.